Good morning. I look crazy. I feel a little bit sick and congested. It's about 10 a.m. and I've been up since 8:30. Didn't turn the camera on. I just was like tired. I feel exhausted. We got to bed pretty late from the play and everything. And yeah, I didn't feel like, I felt like I was cold all night. I ate some cereal. I felt like I was cold all night, and that kind of kept me awake. But now I am going to make coffee because I desperately need it. I didn't finish cleaning up yesterday because I ran out of time. Yeah, I don't know if I said this. I'm doing laundry because we got to get ready to go to San Francisco on Thursday, and so this is going to be a busy week. We should probably pack and stuff today. But knowing, I'm usually a pretty prepared packer, but I have recently gotten rid of a lot of clothes, so I can't really pack clothes away because I'll need to wear them this week. Anyways, let's make some coffee now, ASAP, really. Okay, I need to get my day started, but I need, like, Andrew and I are both up, and the teenager, he like has so many morning naps. Hello, are you waking up? Okay, so I just finished filming this makeup look. So today is so busy, not like going anywhere busy, but like homework. This is my last week of school. Study for an exam, finish a paper, get everything ready for San Francisco. Like, it is crazy. Andrew's working probably non-stop today, and we just got to get everything done. So there's probably going to be some gaps in today's video a little bit. I am trying to do things that are easy right now because I know we're going to be focusing a lot on specific things. So bear with me. I know I keep saying this, but once school is finished, these vlogs will get a lot more holiday-ish. I filmed this look, like I was saying, because when I go to San Francisco, I'm probably not going to be vlogging that much, so I want to make sure I have videos and things like that. So yeah, so I will keep plowing away. I'm heading out to the store. I needed to get out of the house. I'm a little bit stressed out. This weekend I'm trying to do everything, like literally everything. I don't really have a choice. So I have to just run a quick errand and then come back and then finish a paper that's worth 20% of my final mark, do a bunch of research for Wednesday, and study for another exam. Oh my gosh, I need to not stress out. Okay, stop number one. Got my purse. Stop number one, groceries. So because we're leaving for San Francisco, I don't want to buy too much, so we're gonna be throwing it out. So taking it day by day. So dinner is in the oven. I'm just tidying everything up. It's not really tidy yet. I'm trying to fold laundry. It's kind of a work in progress over here. But dinner smells so good. What is Walter eating? No, I took it away from him. What are you eating? We have some candles going over here and over here. And working on homework, like major. So I'll show you dinner when it is ready. So I'm taking a study break to make dinner while dinner's been making. I have a separate video on this recipe, but this is what it looks like. It is so good, and I'm just cooking some noodles. So I'm going to set the table. We haven't really like had a sit down meal in a long time. We've been doing a lot of work, so we deserve a nice sit down dinner. Ready? Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy. This is pork ragu with rigatoni. Okay, go ahead. We gotta put the noodles down.
Great.
You beggar, go away. Thank you. Today when I was, I think when I was getting ready, oh, my hair looks purple in this light. Does it?
It does look a little purple.
In the camera, it looks really purple. Today
actually, it looks a little purple.
Did it like develop over time?
Maybe. I mean, it looks purple in person.
That's so weird.
Like, look in the mirror. You see it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind. I just am like, what happened? Anyways, I was doing laundry and getting things ready, and I was like, oh man, you know what sounds good? The pork ragu rigatoni. And it is one of the best things that I think I make, but I can't take any credit for it. It's from a recipe.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with bits and tick.
We got a lot accomplished work and home-wise, things that we needed to do because assignments that needed to get done, things for San Francisco. So anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.